Question number 6. Estimate the value of each of the following. So we have a square root of 66. We have to estimate the value of square root of 66. So we have to find an estimation for the square root of 66. As we know that square root of 66 is almost nearly equal to square root of 64, where square root of 64 is possible, and we can write the 64 as 8 raised to the power 2, where 2 can be cancelled with the square root and we will be left with 8. So the estimated value for square root of 66 is 8. And then we have square root of 80. As we know that the nearest value to the square root of 80 is square root of 81, because 81 is a perfect square, so we can write 81 as square root of 9 square, where the square and the square root will be cancelled and we will be left with 9. So the approximated value for the square root of 80 is 9. And then we have cube root of 218, where we have to find an approximation for the cube root of 218, which is approximately equal to cube root of 216, and 216 can be written as a whole cube of 6. So cube root of 216 can be written as 6 raised to the power 3, where cube and cube root will be cancelled and the answer will be 6. So 6 is an approximated value for the cube root of 218. And in part D we have cube root of 730. So 730 is almost nearly equal to cube root of 729, where 729 can be written as a whole cube of 9. So we can write cube root of 729 as 9 raised to the power 3, where the cube will be cancelled out with the cube root and we will be left with 9. So 9 is the approximated value of cube root of 730. These are our answer. Question number 7. Use a calculator to evaluate each of the following, leaving your answer correct to 4 decimal places where necessary. So we have to find out these values with the help of a calculator, and we can write our answer correct to 4 decimal places where it is necessary. So in part A we have 7 square minus square root of 361 plus 21 cube. So we are going to insert this value in the calculator. So first of all 7 raised to the power 2, and then minus square root of 361, and then we will plus 21 raised to the power 3. So we are going to press equal, which is our answer. So we can see that our answer is equals to 9291. And then we have in part B square root of 555 plus 5 raised to the power 2 whole divided by 2 raised to the power 3 times cube root of 222. So we can put a bracket right here, and we are going to insert this value in a calculator. So first of all we are going to insert a bracket, then we have square root of 555, and then we have plus 5 raised to the power 2. Then we will close the bracket, and then we will put the divide sign due to division, and then we are going to open another bracket in which we are going to insert 2 raised to the power 3, and then multiply by cube root of, so shift and square root will give us cube root of then 222, and then we are going to close the bracket, and the answer we will get is 1.0024, which is correct to 4 decimal places, and which is our answer. And in part C we have whole square root of 4 raised to the power 3 plus cube root of 4913. So we are going to insert this value in the calculator. So first of all square root of 4 raised to the power 3, and then 4 raised to the power 3, then plus then cube root of 4913. We are going to press the equal and we will be left with 9, which is our answer for the part C.